Hello friends, welcome to Computer Desk Couture, where we transform ordinary computer tables into extraordinary workspaces. Our channel is dedicated to all things desk decor, providing you with a wealth of creative ideas, practical tips, and DIY projects to elevate your workspace aesthetics. Whether you are a professional seeking a sleek, organized setup, a gamer looking for an immersive environment, or simply someone who loves stylish interiors, you will find inspiration here. Join us on a journey through a world of innovative desk designs, where we explore themes ranging from minimalist elegance to vibrant, tech inspired creations. Our in depth tutorials and step by step guides will empower you to personalize your desk to suit your unique styles and needs. We will also delve into the ergonomic solutions, ensuring your workspace is as comfortable as it is beautiful. Expect regular videos featuring budget friendly hacks, product reviews, and collaborations with fellow desk decor enthusiasts. Together, let's turn your computer table into a statement piece that not only boosts productivity but also reflects your personality. Beyond just decorating, we are here to revolutionize the way you experience your workspace. Our channel is a hub for those who understand the profound impact a well-designed desk can have on creativity, focus, and overall well-being. From cable management solutions to ergonomic setups, we leave no stone unturned, ensuring your workspace is not only visually pleasing but also highly functional. Dive into our videos for in-depth reviews of the latest desk accessories, from stylish organizers to cutting-edge technology designed to streamline your workflow. We will guide you through the process of selecting the right lighting, color schemes,